How to change the double tap skip seconds on YouTube on Android. This tutorial shows you how to customize how many seconds YouTube skips when you double tap on a video. First, open YouTube on your Android device. Tap on the U tab at the bottom right. From there, tap on Settings. At this point, tap on Playback. From there, look for the double tap to seek option and tap on it. After that, select your preferred skip duration from the list. Options typically range from 5 seconds up to 60 seconds. In the next step, once you tap on your chosen duration, it will be saved automatically. From there, go back and open any video to test your new double tap skip setting. Once done, double tap on the right side of the screen to skip forward, and double tap on the left side to go back by the duration you selected. Following this, if the skip time is not changing after updating the setting, try force stopping the app. Go to Android settings, tap on Apps, search for YouTube, and tap on Force Stop, then reopen the app. From here, test the double tap again and confirm the new skip duration is now working correctly. Finally, if the option is not available in your YouTube settings, open the Play Store, search for YouTube, and tap on Update to make sure you are on the latest version. And that's it. If this guide helped you change the double tap skip seconds on YouTube, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.